Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can create transparent watermark in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and if you want to add transparent watermark to this video, the first thing you have to do is clicking on the text option right here. Then after that, you can click on add text, then just type the watermark that you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm going to type wait guys. Okay, and for example, I'm going to type this watermark. Okay, and after that, we can change the font. If you want to change the font, you just need to click on font option, then just type just select the font that you want to use for your watermark. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on the font. Then if you want to make the watermark transparent, we can click on style right here. Then you can reduce the opacity. You can make it as transparent as you want. And for example, I'm going to make 40% transparent. Okay, and we just need to click on this checkmark button after we're done. Then you can zoom in and zoom out like this. Okay, and after that, we can make this watermark align with the video. So just drag this text, drag the text to the right like this, and now it's done. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the watermark result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can create transparent watermark in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.